You've been hearing a lot about this type of account, so today we are going to dive into how an IUL actually works. My name is Amanda Ryba. I have been a licensed financial coach and consultant for the past 8 years as of the date this video is being produced, and it is my goal to illuminate to the world what wealthy people do with their money. And one thing all wealthy people have caught on to is the power of saving money into cash value life insurance, or what we like to call IULs. Let me show you how it works. All right, let's start with the basics. What is an IUL? An IUL is short for an Index Universal Life, which is basically a form of permanent life insurance that's designed to provide you life insurance coverage for your entire life as long as the premiums or the cost of insurance is paid. Now, unlike traditional life insurance, an IUL comes with a unique feature: cash value accumulation. Think of it kind of like a savings account that's hidden inside of your life insurance policy that grows and earns interest tied to a stock market index of your choosing, like the NASDAQ or the S&P 500. Think of your IUL as having two main components: protection and growth. Protection, this is the death benefit, the life insurance that pays out to your beneficiaries when you pass away. This is the safety net for your family. Now growth, this is where it gets interesting. A portion of the premiums that you pay will go into a cash value account that will grow based on the performance of a stock market index of your choosing, like we mentioned earlier. Now, the key here is while your cash value benefits from market gains, it is protected from market losses. IULs have a feature called a floor, which means when the market takes a dive, your cash value doesn't lose any money. Now, you are also usually capped in some way on the growth, either through a cap, a spread, or a fee. Basically, you give up some of the growth potential in exchange for no risk. Let me give you an example on how this works. Let's say that your IUL has a 0% floor and a 10% cap. Let's say the market goes up by 15% that year. You will get credited 10% interest inside of your IUL because 10% is the cap. But let's say the market goes down by negative 20% the following year. You will get credited 0% because in an IUL, 0 is your hero because you can't lose money. Pretty cool, right? Now, over time, as your cash value grows, you have options on how you can use it. You can withdraw from it, you can borrow from it, or you can use it to pay future premiums. But if your goal is to take money out of your IUL, my team and I always recommend doing this the smart way, which is borrowing money out, taking a loan from your cash value, because this allows you to access your cash value all tax-free. And you don't have to pay the loan back. There's no repayment terms to it. Someday, the cash value inside of your IUL can help you buy a car, buy a house, pay for a wedding, or even retire tax-free. To sum it all up, an IUL gives you life insurance protection and a way to grow your money accessible to you in the future, all tax-free with no stock market risk. Now, I have simplified it here in this video, but there are definitely details that you need to understand before you go forward with a strategy like this in your portfolio. I recommend that you connect with a licensed life and health agent in your resident state or country that is trained on how to properly structure these types of accounts to fit your goals. If you live in the US and you'd like to work with me or my team, you can click the link in my bio or below to be taken over to our calendar where you can schedule a complimentary client consultation with us. And if you like this video and you want to see more videos just like it, just click that subscribe button or hit the bell to turn on notifications because I release a new video every single week. Hope you got some value. Drop in the comments below what you liked and learned. And please share this video with anyone else you can think of that has been talking about wanting to open up an IUL policy. See you back here next week on YouTube.